Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to address app crashes during video generation in Kling AI. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is make sure that you are using the updated version. Go to the Play Store, then search bar. In the search bar, search for Kling AI application. And if you're getting an option of update here, just make sure that you have updated it. The next thing which you can do is try to clear the cache. You can go to the settings of your phone. In the search bar, search for Kling AI application. Scroll down, go to the storage section and then click on clear cache at below right corner. Just make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if it's not working. The next thing which you can do is you can try to restart your phone once. You need to press the volume down button and the power icon together, and then this pop-up window will come. You need to click on restart the green icon. If you still face the issue, the last thing which you can do is you can contact the Kling AI support team. You can open the application, click on 3 horizontal line at upper left corner. Here you will get an option of contact us. Here there will be one email, that is the second option. You can copy this email and email them that you are facing this issue in the app. They will revert it back. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.